It's been a long time, but I'm finally back here with another unboxing video, and I recently went to a store that's not terribly far away from where I'm at, that my friend RonDog248, I believe that's his username, he told me about, and oh man, I ended up spending a lot more than I thought when I first walked in. It's more of a model store, so I don't really have a lot of that, so I wasn't too interested in buying that. But then I saw the Thomas stuff they had, and I went from just being like, I'll buy one Thomas Wooden Railway item to I bought over $200 worth of stuff. But little asterisks, I bought some for my friend Thomas Wooden Railway. I'm not going to show his stuff, I'll just show the stuff I got. And I actually ended up buying something from eBay not too long ago too, so we'll throw that at the end as well. So we'll start with some stuff that I'm not going to open up, at least for now. I don't know, I might sell some, I might keep some, I don't know. I got two of each of these items. So first one from Thomas & Friends Wood, it is Merlin. We'll put Merlin back here, and then I'll take this one and show it on camera. But yeah, Merlin, you know, I don't have too much before I purchased these. I think the only Thomas & Friends Wood I really had was a Rosie Stanley from Toys R Us before it closed, and then Percy. So I almost, well, technically I did double because I got 4 Thomas & Friends Wood items here today. But yeah, they only made Merlin in the Wooden Railway, or Thomas & Friends Wood line. It wasn't made in Thomas Wooden Railway at all, so I think for that reason it's a good one to get, and that's what my friend Thomas Wooden Railway said. He's like, this is a good one to pick up, so thought, why not? So we'll put Merlin to the side quick. Next up, we got Young Bao. So Young Bao, another one, kind of surprised they didn't make this in Thomas Wooden Railway. So what, they made Kenji in both Wood and Thomas Wooden Railway, but you know, the line hasn't gone on for too long, so maybe if they decide to do it again, they will. But yeah, Young Bao and Merlin, they're both in not too bad of shape. I mean, obviously they're new, but I mean, for what they are, for Thomas & Friends Wood, I don't think they're the worst. So before I show the Thomas Wooden Railway, because the rest is Thomas Wooden Railway, when I was there, probably because I spent so much, they gave me these pictures, and since Thomas Wooden Railway got some of them, I'll of course give one of these to him, because I got two of this first picture I got, but they're really cool, and I think once I'm in a more permanent place and I can actually get a train room set up, I definitely want to put these in a picture frame. But this is the Flying Scotsman. I think you can pretty much see it on camera here. I mean, it's just some smoke and clouds above, but I think that just looks so gorgeous. And then you've got Mallard too. I'm pretty sure he said he got this from England, both these pictures, but either way, so cool he threw them in, which almost $250 I spent, so it makes sense that he threw that in. But yeah, so cool. I like that. I'm very excited to have those, and those will definitely look nice in some picture frames. So the stuff that, you know, like I said at the start, when I walked in, there wasn't too much I saw that I'm like, I have to buy right now. So I was just going to get like Kenji, because I still didn't have Kenji in the Wooden Railway line. And I ended up not getting Kenji because, like I said, I spent so much. I'm like, I can just get Kenji another time. But the stuff that, like, my jaw just about dropped when I saw these, because I couldn't believe they were there. But he had some of the discontinued Troublesome trucks, which is just so exciting. So I ended up getting a decent amount. So these two are in pretty good shape, and I'm just gonna keep them in box, because I mean, some people like trucks or coaches, people like to have a lot of them, and I already have a good amount of them. I just kind of want one of each of this Wooden Railway line. So this is kind of for the off chance that, you know, 5-10 years from now they're worth a lot, and if they aren't, I will open them then. Like, I don't have to do it now. And then I got this. So this one, of course, is in the worst shape, so that's the one that's going to be open today. I might have to do this off camera. Oh, and of course, we got to do the Chris Collinsworth slide. How could I forget? Oh man, if I slide it too much, it's going to break. But I was so happy. I had been looking for these for a long time, and I do have one. If you may recall, I got this for Christmas last year from my good friend, Roman's TWR Empire. So I was just, you know, hoping someday, probably from eBay or something, that I could get the last one. So usually I open these on camera and it doesn't go well. Should I? I don't think I should. Because I have my little cut knife, and I cut myself with this one, so we don't need to try that. I'm going to do this off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so we successfully did it without cutting myself. do I need to keep these? Probably not. Like, I'll be honest, like, why do I need to keep these? But at least for now I will, because, I mean, the packaging is just so bad. And, I didn't mind it because I was going to open it up. Plus, I was really excited that they had one in good shape. So, yeah, we'll put Young Bao and stuff to the side. So, these are the two right here. Now, the new one's face is kind of crooked. I mean, let's see if we can... We can't really fix that. I mean, it's a troublesome truck. Not the end of the world. I might just bring it to my friend Master of the Levens. He seems to work wonders on this stuff. I'm sure Lemmy, if anybody can get it to work, I'm sure it's Lemmy. And this one, these they call the Troublesome Truck and Crates. There's some paint on it. I mean, honestly, the nicest part, these are a little different, but nothing too crazy, honestly. Like, I think this one's definitely the preferred of the two, just because it's more, I mean, it's more realistic, let's be honest. But these are nice. I mean, I could... There you go. Well, here, we got, let's pull Toby. I know you can't see probably the best, but... I mean, Toby's actually taller than it, so it works. It's just, I know, like, I know with, like, the other wooden railway... Hold on. We grabbed Skarloey. So, like, Skarloey, it just kind of towers over. I'll put it to the side, though, again, so you can at least see better. Like, they just kind of tower over it. And then you put Toby. Toby, not too much, although Toby's kind of tiny compared to the truck. I don't know why they had to make these trucks so big. It is what it is. I mean, it works out fine, but... Yeah, I'm pretty excited to have... Like, this is one I thought was going to be the hardest. At this point, now that I have both Troublesome trucks... I think the only ones I'm missing from the Wooden Railway line that came out in 2022, not including any of the destinations or stuff. I haven't got any sets or destinations from 2022. I might, but I'm missing Mia, Kevin, Rosie, and Kenji. Those are the last four, and I'm sure I'll get them. I'm not necessarily rushing to get them. I'm just kind of waiting now and then, but I do worry a little bit that they're going to stop releasing this line altogether, and then I'm going to be regretting it. So I'm trying to get them, relatively soon. I'm sure this isn't the last Wooden Railway item I'll get this year from the 2022 line. But yeah, so we got that. Let's do some housekeeping. We'll move these to the side quick. The sheds don't have the best of room for these items. So you know what? We're going to take Toby and Percy out. We'll put the trucks in there next to Thomas. So there, and we'll put Toby and Percy can still be out there. There we go. Okay, so now, like I said, we have one thing left, and it does come from eBay. Talking about Thomas Wooden Railway again, he, once again, helped me find this one, and I forget how much I got it. I think it's like $35, something like that. If I remember, maybe I'll put it in on the screen. But, yeah, so I'm very excited about this one. This is one, there's not too much from Wooden Railway I didn't get, or don't have at this point, I guess. This is one of them, and with remakes, it's so useful. I'm sure you can tell just by looking in the wrapping, but in case you can't, I don't want to... Well, here, I don't really want to cut the bubbles, but, good thing this knife's not too sharp. Oh, and there goes one of the pieces. Hold on. Alright, so here, honestly, it's not the best of shape, I'm not gonna lie. But, like, beggars can't be choosers, and this was really a good price for it. So, oh, and that's weird. Look, they have the sticker right there. I don't know, there, 1994, okay. Not the best shape. Like, here, I've always wondered, Bulstrode in it, how similar they are. So this older one is a lot thinner. Interesting. And the top's a little bit bigger too. I mean, it's just nice. It's nice to have, like, I do like using my Theodore tugboat stuff, and, Bulstrode works fine too, but it will be nice to have, like, something like this around to just use as a boat behind the scene or whatever. As you know, with my remakes, I do my best to just use exclusively Thomas Wooden Railway stuff, or, just Wooden Railway, and preferably Thomas Wooden Railway, but I try not to go out of the realm of that too much. So this is definitely something that will be used throughout remakes, I'm sure of it. So yeah, this is what I got. Like I said, I got this item probably at the time of me filming this, probably like a week or two before I got the rest of this stuff. So it worked out pretty well that I went to the store and was able to get a lot that I can make a whole video out of it, because generally I just keep these. I would have just kept it in the bag I got from eBay till it was time to make one of these. So really excited I got to make it. Like, this was a really good pickup, and I'm sure the summer's young, so I'm sure there's going to be more I get this summer. But yeah, that's what I had. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more. This is Percy number 6. I hope you all have a great day.